Product Spotlight ABB Pressure Transmitters. The 2,600 grants lasting performances even in extreme ambient and process conditions. In addition to the traditional configuration tool, provided locally via local keys combined with LCD indicator. Via handheld terminal or PC configuration tools, the innovative TTG through the glass technology allows users to configure the instruments in field without removing the windowed front cover. These transmitters provide reliability, accuracy, repeatability, and easy maintenance to customers. Simple, reliable base accuracy from plus or minus 0.06% in field, replaceable electronics module with auto-configure 10-year battery life. Span limits 64 and 20, 15,228 pounds per square inch. Tailor instruments, all welded technology for diaphragm seals. Multiple communication protocols available: HART, Profibus PA, Foundation Field Bus, Wireless HART. Access our product catalog at partsupply.com.